One of the toughest things to figure out when ice fishing a new lake for walleye is to decide where to start fishing. In this video, I'm going to go over how I break down a lake and identify some areas of interest. Here is an example that is pretty typical of small lakes here in southern Ontario. Underwater points are my favorite areas to start looking for walleye. I'll set up in depths from 18 to 30 feet, usually on the outside edge of the point. However, the time of day is just as important as the location for walleye fishing. These small lakes often don't have a dense population, so fishing the prime times will massively increase your chance of catching a fish. A flash bite is what we call it, and it occurs in low light where the walleye take advantage of their eyesight. This is an hour or two at sunrise and sunset in lakes with clear water. If your lake is murky, then the bite window is usually extended a little bit. Because the bite window is so short, you kind of have to be set up prior to that happening, and you can't make big moves. Now, that's not to say you can't catch walleye in the middle of the day or outside of these windows, there's just less fish feeding at that time. Another great place to try are shoals. They are especially good if the walleye in your lake are reef spawners instead of the typical creek spawning fish. Walleye will hang around spawning areas months before actually spawning. In terms of what they're eating, in clear, deeper lakes, I see them spitting out crawfish and various types of shiners. Usually I like using natural baitfish colors in these lakes. In a muddier, shallower lake, I see walleye eating a lot of perch, so I use orange or gold colors. Jigging spoons tipped with a minnow head will work pretty much anywhere, and that's what I recommend to start out. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I'll do my best to answer them.